Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, headlights auto off, mirror memory, steering wheel controls, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.